anemia is a disease of blood. Blood is sign of life. We all know if blood comes out of the body more than a certain limit, we all can immediately collapse. Quality of blood is anemia. In that also they found quantity of hemoglobin, not just quantity. Of course, to understand by that quantity, they try to understand the quality of blood. But Ayurveda believes that quality of blood is anemia, and that we call as a pandu. Well, if hemoglobin is less, that is anemia, but we have a big explanation about it. Sa alparakto alpamedasko nissaraha shithilendriyaha. Sa alparakto, the person who has less quality of blood. Nissaraha, alpamedasko, the person is having fat reduces. His hands become very skinny and legs become skinny, but tummy remains with fat. And nissaraha, there is no sara. Sara means, Chakrapani says, pipilika iva dvibhara haranat shakti iti saraha. And is actually very light in weight, but it carries a sugar small molecule piece, cube, which is double of its weight. And it goes long way. Because, and though it's very light in weight, very small creature, but has a very good sara. Similarly, when we can carry something, like we carry 2 to 3 kg of bag and without any tiredness, it means that we have very good sara. So person who has pandu, who has anemic, they have a very less sara. They get exhausted and tired by carrying little weight, or even climbing stairs or going up on mountain, uphill. And shitilendriya, they're in ear, they get sound. Eye is not able to get very clear vision. It's not the problem of eye only. So even the taste become altered. So these all are the problems of actually of pandu anemia. Now, what can be the reasons? Let's discuss like a normal 2 human beings. If there is a lot of bleeding, like bleeding piles, or there is some bleeding nose, or some bleeding going on, then sudden depletion of hemoglobin takes place, or blood comes down. Other reason can be when formation of blood, organs which help in formation of blood, they don't work very properly, like liver, like stomach, okay, like bone marrow. So these three levels are there. Stomach level very important for iron digestion, liver level very important for metabolism, and bone marrow. When any of the organs not functioning, hemoglobin can come down. Third reason is when we avoid or when we don't take food which has iron content. We eat only bread, many people, then it happens. So we will try to understand what is the reason for such type of malfunctioning of the organs, and how can we take which type of food which is having a lot of iron or helpful for blood formation. Apart from this, most important content of blood is oxygen. Oxyhemoglobin. Oxygen comes from where? It comes from lungs. So if we do very good pranayama, if we do very good breathing and keep health of our lungs good, formation of blood is better, and it helps blood formation also. Food, what is going to be supportive for blood formation is, number one, all type of green vegetables. Don't think that spinach is only having iron. All green vegetables actually contains iron to some extent. So don't try to think that, oh, I don't have spinach, so I cannot get iron food. Second thing is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are really very high iron content it has. And you can take sesame seeds with jaggery. We call in Sanskrit or Indian language gur. So that is very good for blood formation. Another very commonly known thing is Triphala. Triphala is having a lot of iron actually, and it really helps in formation of iron. So once your all toxins will also come down throughout the body, and also your body gets very good amount of iron if you consume Triphala 1 teaspoon in half glass of water every night. And check if there is any bleeding or not. It's very important. And about improving the functions of stomach, liver, and bone marrow, I'm going to tell you a very simple thing. Stomach is a highly exposed organ of our life which is within us. Whatever we eat for the sake of our tongue taste, it directly gets in contact with stomach after some time. Stomach is like a bag, but it has its own digestive functions. Try not to overeat. It is told by our acharyas that take half solid, 1/4 liquids, and 1/4 you should leave space. In another way, they mean to say that don't eat too much, overeating. Try to keep half food, half stomach always empty. This is a very big problem because people have a habit of filling the body. Then only they feel psychologically that they have eaten something. Please don't do that. About liver, remember, liver wants exercise. When you burn food, when you do exercise, actually whole body gets in movement, in active NS, and that helps liver. And when we have anemia, avoid fried food, avoid any food which is very heavy to digest. Take simple things like rice water, rice soup, dal soups, fruit juices, and they're always very good. About bone marrow, to improve bone marrow, remember one thing. Milk is fantastic choice. Take milk with saffron. It is directly going to help your bone marrow and going to help its functions. I hope that this small knowledge of handling anemia may be helpful for all of us. Thank you.